Storm Door Guy here, and today I'm going to be reviewing, doing a no BS honest review of a Gatehouse steel security door. So this is a product that is available at Lowe's. This is the Sunset model. That's what this design is called. So these are steel security doors. They're designed to keep people out, but not necessarily bugs. One thing I don't like is the bug aspect. There is a gap between the frame and the door. Again, it's designed to keep people out, but not bugs. Since it is a security door, they have these one-way irreversible screws. These are about 4 inches long. You can put these screws in with a screwdriver, but when you try to take it out with a screwdriver, trying to get a shot here, this edge is rounded, so this screw head will actually push your screwdriver out. You have to take these out with a grinder. This is a solid steel door, and this mesh is a very thick steel mesh. It's not screen material, so this is a heavy-duty steel screen. The handle set that you'll use is an entry door handle set like Schlage or Kwikset, so very hefty deadbolt. This door is very basic. It does not have a storm door closer, so you got to make sure that you have your door perfectly level so it stays right where you put it. Now this does have pre-mortises for your door latch and your deadbolt, so that's good. It locks into the frame. Being a steel security door, all steel security doors, I don't want to say all, for the most part, these steel security doors are surface mount, so the frame mounts to the surface of your trim. Most storm doors are recessed mount, means it wraps around your trim and the door sets on top of the threshold. These security doors sit in front of the threshold. So that is the long and the short of the Gatehouse steel security doors. Again, this particular model is called the Sunset because of the screen pattern. For this and more tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel or visit my website, stormdoorguy.com, and be sure to like and subscribe to the channel.